Hello. I'm going to try out this tactical decision, NILF NG. I posted over to Reddit that had some traction on it. People were playing, so it is, it's definitely different, so let's play a little with it. Maybe we'll have a good one. This season hasn't been good for it, for sure. There's a lot of, engine heavy decks to combat SK, just like all out greed, which it loses to, and there's not much control, which is generally what it's good against. It doesn't really run engines or anything. It doesn't need. Plays well under removal. Just not tall punish. So we have scroll, which means we have GN. Okay, so this, and I want to play this safe. Okay. Okay. Ooh. It's not good. I think what we'll do is we'll get either Fisher or Siri, maybe? Let's take a courier for now. Luckily, those boosts are denying him some armor. The Blightmaker's gonna get hit though. So I was thinking maybe we use Fisher King. We bring up a lock. I don't know if the boat is the scariest thing. I mean, if he plays a second boat, it's not really worth locking. Sort of just got to deal with the points they put out. It's better they have it in this round, because it'd be bad if not. So we just lift another Blightmaker. I think we pull Siri. Yes. Yeah. Do we save Roach? I don't know. I was kind of considering saving Roach. Because I don't think we lose on even after GN, but we could just play for pure carryover. Doesn't have a ton of tempo, but I guess he does now. Yeah, this will help us get thinned. Oh, the Roach tempo, we kind of need it in this round. Helps us thin. contemplating Fisher King or the lock. I think we have to take Fisher King quickly here. Go here. This is Golem. Yeah, so there's a lot to do in the GN turn. There's a lot to click. You gotta be quick. Boom, he's going hard. Do we place Yuri into double boat? No. I think no. Am I worried about them 2-0ing? This is the whole thing with the deck. It's all this decision right here. Are you getting too hard or not? But I mean, we play Siri and he has a lot of easy ways to damage it. He's also committed nothing. We have to play really fast, and we just gotta go for it. We gotta go for some sort of tempo pass, honestly, because we're just gonna get smoked here. No way. No way. Yeah. Sometimes they do surprising things. I think he saw the tempo coming, but I don't know if he knew how the timer worked. I know this player. So here, let's ditch Yen. We're worried about drawing Golem, but here I think we have to just take it. Okay. And then here we can have the Golem get thinned. Easy. Huge tempo here too. 21. It's actually going to be hard for him. And I don't even care about him killing Siri. Literally could not care less. I'm going to play this now. That's good. No way. We kind of like, what is this? Phase 2 damage. Damage in clear skies. Man, he definitely doesn't have a good clear skies ability. Is he playing double? He might be playing double, though. Huh. He might be. But I don't want to jam leader. Let's just play this. Shorten the round a little. This is good because the opening round next turn I can just jam a snowdrop and leader. We should be good. Again, I don't really care about the whole killing Siri thing. Doesn't even matter. I think we can beat the long round. It's hard for him to do these points. I mean, he needs a 12. 10. 10-point gold. Maybe we get Seawolf or something. Bjorn. That's good. That can kill Dodric pretty effectively next turn. So we'd rather have it here. Maybe we can get a Terror or a Seawolf. Yeah, I guess he always kills Dodric quickly. Here, that's why I like saving leader. That way, you know, that way you can have the agent tag, get Zeal on Dodric because he's dying. He's gonna die right away. Is there any way for him to... Oh, man. See, I was hoping to draw the lock earlier. This is, like, almost, worth bilging. Probably is, actually. I mean... Well, I guess we can lock it next turn. Gets what, 1 turn? Okay, let's go. I mean, we don't get any value on the, we don't get any value on the, assassin damage. That hurts. Let's get him locked here. Right away. He's not playing it front row, which makes me think he doesn't run Seawolf. Could have the SDE on or maybe. Probably, if he's running that. Interesting. So here we go. This is the combo. So hopefully this draws him to do terror or something to take this out. Yep. Leader plus. That's good. I mean, that's about as good as we're gonna get here. In this one, in this matchup for sure. Yep. So this is cool about Maxie in round 3. She actually makes him go off. Wonder if he's gonna... Is he trying to just damage this down? Maybe I think we hit it with the N. How's he kill it? 24. That's a lot. If he heat waves it, it negates the Death Wish. Right? They might have changed that. Pretty sure it does. We'll see. Yep.